Okay, today I'm going to talk to you about something called metadata. You may or may not have heard of it before. An example of metadata would be an ID3 tag for MP3s. Basically, metadata is just information that's embedded in a file about that certain file. Like I said, in MP3s you have ID3 tags, but what I'm going to be discussing today is image metadata. What a lot of people don't know is when you take a picture with your camera, it actually embeds a whole shitload of information in the picture that you wouldn't even notice was there normally. If you hop over to the computer right now, I'm going to show you. I got a picture on the desktop here. It's just a picture of my rabbit or whatever, as you can see. But if you right click and go to properties and then go to summary, now it tells you the width in pixels, the height, the horizontal resolution, vertical resolution, bit depth, frame count, equipment make, camera model, color resolution, shutter speed, lens aperture, flash mode, focal length, all kinds of information. A lot of cameras, more high-end cameras will have more information than mine. I have a cheap Kodak EasyShare camera, but it does the job. Some cameras actually have a GPS built into them, especially a lot of cell phone cameras, so it'll actually put the GPS coordinates in it. Another thing is a lot of times they embed the serial number of the camera into the metadata of the picture. That can't be good. For example, Best Buy and a lot of other companies, when you buy a camera from them and you pay with a credit card, they link the serial number of that camera to your credit card or to your actual name and everything. So if you're taking pictures that you shouldn't, like all you kids out there that, you underage kids that like to snap pictures of your girlfriends and not so appropriate poses to prove how cool you are, well, now you're a pedophile and you're posting your information on the internet, and they can and they will trace you. Don't say we didn't warn you. It's not just images that you download. Like I said, if you look back over on the laptop again, I'll load up a Picasa image. This is from Fox's Picasa page because I don't have one. And if you just click the more info on the side, it shows you a lot of the metadata information. There's a story that Fox was telling me about. Hopefully I can find the link to it and post it in the show notes afterwards. But apparently one of the guys working on the new Harry Potter book or movie or something, I don't remember the exact story. So like I said, I'll try and find the link, or I'll get Fox to post this, what he remembers of this story in the show notes. But one of the guys working with the Harry Potter book took some pictures of the artwork and posted them on the internet. He thought he was big shit, going to be elite scene whore, had the first pictures of the book, whatever. And he forgot about the metadata, and they actually traced it back to him, and they were able to find him, and I believe they threw him in jail. Now you're probably wondering, well, what can I do to protect myself from this? I like posting pictures up to the internet, but I don't want people being able to trace them back to me. The easiest thing to do is just edit the picture, run it through Photoshop or any other kind of image editing software, and it'll either completely erase the metadata, or you can punch in whatever values you want. I mean, you can punch in the location and what time of year it was and what you were doing and how hard your dick was at the time, and whatever other kind of information you want in there. So, I hope this helps educate you, and I probably forgot shit, so check the show notes. But if you don't listen to us, you were warned.